Microwaves are a convenient appliance in any kitchen, but they can easily accumulate food spills and stains that can be difficult to remove. Fortunately, there are natural and inexpensive ways to clean your microwave using vinegar and baking soda. Here's how you can do it. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. Fill a microwave-safe bowl or measuring cup with 1 cup of distilled white vinegar. Place the bowl or measuring cup in the center of the microwave and turn it on high for 5 minutes. The vinegar will heat up and create steam that will help loosen any food particles and stains inside the microwave. Once the time is up, let the bowl or measuring cup sit inside the microwave for a few minutes to allow the steam to continue to work its magic. Then, carefully remove the bowl or measuring cup and use a clean sponge or cloth to wipe down the interior of the microwave. The steam will have loosened any food particles and stains, making them easier to wipe away. To clean the exterior of the microwave, mix a tablespoon of baking soda with enough water to make a paste. Use the paste to gently scrub the exterior of the microwave with a clean sponge or cloth. This will help remove any dirt and grime that has accumulated on the outside of the microwave. After you've cleaned both the interior and exterior of the microwave, use a clean damp cloth to wipe away any vinegar or baking soda residue. Then, use a dry cloth to wipe the microwave dry. By following these simple steps, you can clean your microwave using natural and inexpensive ingredients that are likely already in your kitchen. Not only is this method effective, but it's also safe for you and your family, as there are no harsh chemicals involved. So the next time your microwave needs a good cleaning, give this vinegar and baking soda method a try. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks and life hacks. Good luck and see you in the next video.